Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our Poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you unpair guys your Bluetooth earbud to your Poco phone guys. Which guys earbud guys you have paired with your Poco phone and guys you want to unpair. So guys you can unpair and guys now let's see how to unpair. First of all guys open your phone setting to unpair it. Then guys scroll and guys click on your Bluetooth setting, and guys you can see guys we have paired this P20W we want to unpair. Guys right side tap here, and guys you can see there are two options, unpair and rename. So as you want to rename guys your earbud name, so guys you can rename from here. And guys I want to unpair my earbuds, so guys I will unpair from here. I will off it. So guys my earbud will unpair, and guys I cannot use guys if I want to use. So guys I will have to pair again. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.